Imagine waking up tomorrow with more energy, sharper focus, and less stress, all without a fancy gym or expensive supplements. Sounds impossible, right? Well, these 5 fitness tips are not the usual drink water and eat salads. They're simple, powerful, and actually designed to make your lifestyle better starting today. Breaking the myth. Here's the truth. Most fitness advice feels recycled. You've heard it all before. Sleep more, stretch, go for a jog. And while those things help, they don't always fit into real life. That's why so many people stay stuck in the same cycle of stress, fatigue, and skipped workouts. What you need are hacks that actually work in the middle of a busy day, even if you've only got 5 minutes to spare. The 10-10-10 rule. Think you need an hour-long workout? You can jumpstart your energy in just 3 minutes. The October 10th 10 rule is simple. 10 push-ups, 10 squats, 10 deep breaths. Your muscles get activated, your blood starts flowing, and your brain instantly feels more awake. The beauty of this rule is that it kills the "I don't have time" excuse. You can do it at work, at home, even in your pajamas. It's a micro routine that reminds your body and mind that movement doesn't need to be complicated. Train your eyes, not just your muscles. Here's something almost nobody talks about. Your eyes control your nervous system. Think about it. You spend hours glued to screens, scrolling, typing, or binge watching. That's why you feel mentally drained even if your body hasn't moved much. 2 minutes of distance gazing outdoors can reset your brain like magic. Just look at something far away, the trees, the sky, a distant building, and let your eyes relax. You'll feel your stress drop, your focus return, and your energy lift. It's the simplest reset button you'll ever find. The 3-second rule for movement. Ever thought about going for a walk, then convinced yourself not to? That hesitation kills momentum. Here's the fix. Use the 3-second rule. The moment you think about moving, count down from 3, 3, 2, 1, and just do it. Stand up, take a step, start the action. Fitness isn't about motivation. Motivation fades. What really matters is momentum. And this rule stops your brain from talking you out of doing the very thing your body needs most. Use music as your pre-workout switch. Most people think workouts begin when you hit the gym. Wrong. They start in your head. And nothing flips that mental switch faster than music. Create a pre-workout playlist with songs that make you feel unstoppable. The right beat can replace 3 cups of coffee and trick your brain into believing you're ready to move. Professional athletes use music for a reason. It primes your body, sharpens your focus, and gets you into the zone instantly. The 5-minute night reset fitness isn't just about what you do during the day. It's about how well you recover at night. And here's the hack most people skip. The 5-minute night reset. Before bed, dim the lights, roll out a mat, and stretch slowly while breathing deeply. This tiny ritual signals your brain to relax, improves your sleep, and helps your body recover faster. Better recovery means better energy the next day. It's the most underrated secret for a healthier lifestyle. So here's the takeaway. Fitness doesn't have to be complicated. Small, smart habits create real change. Forget chasing perfection, just start with one of these tips. That's the challenge. Pick one, try it today, and see how different you feel. Then come back, hit subscribe, and tell me in the comments which one worked best for you. Together, we're not just building workouts, we're building a better lifestyle.